What up, what up? It's your boy Striker, back with another winter weather driving video. Another winter weather advisory out for Minnesota. 5 to 8 inches tonight once more. I'm in the Taco. 3-inch lift, 34-inch tires, winch on the front, steel front, rear, and side bars, or bumpers should I say. I'm pretty much good to go. This thing is made for overlanding slash little bit of rock crawling, but what can I say? It is just snowing like crazy out here. As far as getting around, I have Baja Boss ATs on here. They are great in the winter, just chewing through the snow. I have it in 4-wheel, but the only reason I have it in 4-wheel is because I was getting around pretty good in 2-wheel, but I was still sliding and having my rear end fly out in certain spots in certain situations, so didn't want to accidentally hit somebody and have a whole mess of other problems. So yeah. The Tacoma, as far as getting around, I mean, obviously this isn't stock, so if you lift yours and put on some at least 275s, jeez, sliding. Don't even really have to lift it, but at least get you some 275s on there. At least some BF all-terrains, the KO2s, or, you know, those are common tire, or I don't even know. Just get you something decent. The stock tires aren't bad either, though. I mean, the stock tires are decent in the snow as well. Ugh. It's been snowing all day, not most of the day, not some of the day, all day. It was negative 13 this morning when I started. It's 2 degrees now. Not going to be a super long super long video because I'm almost home, but oh my gosh, this snow is just coming down out here. Obviously, my personal favorite winter weather, extreme weather vehicle is the Jeep. It's kind of perfect for, you know, all things extreme, from rock crawling to crazy weather. But this Taco or Tacoma has really gained a lot of popularity over the last year or two, so opted on switching up, and my father-in-law's got my Jeep now and he's loving that, and a couple of mods I did to that, and I'm enjoying this beautiful Tacoma. So yeah, as far as Tacomas go, it's great, fun, great for overlanding, off-roading, rock crawling, snow wheeling, all that good stuff. I got a 21, so it kind of sucked because anytime I would accidentally rub up against a tree or anything hit the body, I was like, no. Versus, you know, you get yourself an XJ, older Jeep, and you don't really care if the body takes a scratch or two. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Just wanted to shoot a quick video of Minnesota winter weather storm driving. Not much to it, as far as I can say. It's not like you came out of your house and there was 6 inches of snow on the ground and you're trying to plow through it or anything. For the most part, the snow is always plowed, and it's usually all the way plowed down to the street. So, yeah. Usually not much to get through. Oh, my driveway is thick. All right. Well, I'm home now. If you like that video, hit the like button. Please hit that subscribe button. Your boy's almost up to 1K. And I'll catch you guys later. Peace.